fucking child.
Bro, it's the real bird. It's the real bird.
I am an orphan.
Bro.
Oh my geez, bro, you almost killed me. You almost killed the bird.
Can anybody hear me?
You almost killed
Yes, I
the
can
Yeah.
hear you. Yes, I
Bro,
can
you don't want to
hear
kill the bird.
Hey, Modders. Someone's in tree stump.
Nah, I'm a bird. You don't understand. I'm a.
Bro, he just like swooped down and shoved his balls in your face, bro. What do you think of that?
His name is unnamed. He doesn't have a name.
There's an invisible bird in the sky.
It's unnamed.
Are you having a stroke, bird?
No.
I think he is. He's about to get choked to his death.
Nah, bro, I need like a really unhealthy piece of bread in order for me to live.
Yo, I have some really unhealthy bread, bro. Has like negative 500 grams of protein, bro. Has like
Bird.
bread.
I got bread as well. I have a question. I got bread as well.
Yeah, you ain't. Oh my jeez, where did bro go?
He just. Oh.
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna be a bird.
Yo, let's play crate.
Bro, that bird is really unhealthy, bro. I don't think you're gonna live that long.
All right, listen. Who wants to be swooped up?
I do.
Me!
Me.
Oh no! The bird's bleeding.
Caca!
I need
Caca.
I need
Kakalika.
I eat caca.
Wait, what?
Come on.
You do not have
Hello.
any bread. Please take up any bread. Please.
I do have bread. Here.
Here's some more bread. You want some bread?
Oh, seriously, I don't know how to fly.
Ooh.
My only weakness. It's a small space. I can't move. Oh, please, someone unchain me.
Caca. Just caca.
Oh no, we have the bird. He's last.
I'm a bird.
Listen, I need all birds on top and scout for forest. All birds on top of forest, scouting for him.
I'm an
Come on, bird. We need to find.
I'm in the bed.
Okay?
Go up there with your friends. Go up there with your friends.
Hey, how you having, Jack? Let's see if we can sit on our platform. Okay, now you do yours.
You want a little nice dinner date? Hold on, let me extend it.
I'm going to become bird.
I'm a bird.
Bro, I'm gonna try to become a bird, bro. Oh, hold on.
My hobbies are...
I'm gonna become a bird, bro.
My hobbies are...
My hobbies are.
You're on?
Caca! Ah!
I can't reach him. He's too high up. A seagull can't fly that high. A seagull can't fly that high, man.
I got bread for you. You can fly that high.
Who said that? I'm taking it.
Bro, he just grabbed it with his balls, bro. Like, bro,
Piece of bread. I can't go up there. Please.
bro, his balls literally just like opened up and then the balls like went back together. He just like took the bread like with his balls, bro. I think the bird's it. I think the bird's it.
Just being a bird.
Okay.
You know what, boys? I think I'm gonna go to the beach. I'll see you later.
I don't have any words. I don't have any words.
Crap!
What? Oh no.
Hello.
Live peeing. Only $5.